and you're going to need your thumb and your index finger. So you're going to trap your thread in between your thumb and your index finger like so, and then you're going to wrap it around your index finger and in between your finger and your thumb, and then you're going to gently pull the thread with your other hand until you create a knot. If you need your other finger, your middle finger, then just to secure that knot into place, and that is how you have a knot ready for your sewing project. So you're going to need your thumb and your index finger, and you're going to trap it, and then you're going to wrap it around your index finger and then pull it through, and then you're going to roll your index finger and pull with the other hand in order to create the knot. If you want the other finger to join in just to create that security in the knot, that is how you tie a knot ready for sewing.